Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Guys, so we're going to do a quick unboxing because 99% of you guys probably might know what this item is in this box. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible so that you can make an informed decision, even though I know some of you guys already started ordering, which I'm so excited for. Anyway, guys, if you guys like anything that's bag related, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, turn on the bell notification so that you know every time that I post a new video so you guys can catch up. Okay, guys? Anyway, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. I love you guys very much. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing and I will kind of do a comparison between this and the other item that I have. All right, guys? All right. All right, guys, so like I stated, this is going to be a quick unboxing. I just picked up this item from my SA Marie. As I told you guys, she is like just simply amazing. So before we even get into, I'm just going to open the box and stuff like that so you guys can see it. You guys probably already know what this item is. I did unbox the little sister of this item the other day. So this one is the bigger version. Okay, guys? So let's move this out the way without any suspense. All right, guys. So without any suspense, like I said, you guys probably already know what this is. So this is the bigger version of it. Coach actually just released it on their website for insiders. So if you're a Coach insider, you're able to order this item right now. If you're not an insider, I think probably in a day or two, you'll probably be able to order it. But anyway, without any further ado, yes, guys. So it is the Coach Heart Bag, the brand new one. I did unbox the little one. I think was it Saturday or Sunday. I posted that video. So this one is the bigger sister of the other one, and I'm going to show you guys both. And kind of give you guys a measurement because it's actually finally out on the website. So I can give you guys more detail about this bag. All right, guys. So like I guessed on the last video, this is made with Napa leather. I'm so happy because I'm getting so used to Coach leather that I kind of know what it is. But it's made with Napa leather with the quilted. As you guys can see, this is a little bit more bigger than the little sister. All right, guys. So with this one, they're saying that the length, I guess maybe they're measuring from here to here. At the highest point is 7.5 inches for length, and then the height from here to here is 6.5 inches, and then the width for this one is 2 1/4. So that's the measurement for the bigger one. All right, guys. So the bigger one basically have everything that the smaller one have. It's just in a bigger version. As you guys can see, let me just open this for a quick. So this is the bigger one. So the bigger one actually give you way more room, but the difference is, and I'm going to bring my small one very soon. So this strap actually is a leather strap. It is adjustable and it is removable. So with the adjusted, I think it gives you, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different slots that you can use to adjust it how you want it to fit you. And you can use it as a crossbody. You can use it as a shoulder bag. You can small shoulder, big shoulder, but you can use it any of those ways with this crossbody strap. On the inside, it is lined with leather. On the website, it says fabric lining, but this is definitely not fabric lining. This is leather lining. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this bag, this is the style number C as in cat, E as in Edward 725. This is it again, CE725, and it's in the color black. On here is this one, the actual bigger one actually costs $350, and the little one I think is $250. So it's $100 difference between the two. You do have this credit card slot like I showed you guys on the little one, and then you have the Coach story. That's really all of the pocket that you have in here. And I'll probably do a fit in my bag so that we can see how much this hold, because the little one really did not hold that much, and I feel like this will hold a little bit more. Okay, guys, so move that out the way, and let's kind of do a fit in my bag real quick before I bring the little one, and we can talk about what the differences are between the two. Okay, guys, so this is my phone. So this is my business phone. This is my iPhone 10s. That one, as you guys can see, definitely perfectly fit in here. On the little one, it did not fit in there, so this is great news. Let's see if my mini pochette will fit. So this is just my cloth mini pochette. As you guys can see, this is the denim mini pochette. Okay, so let me see. I haven't taken the tag off, but this is the cloth version. This is the denim version of my mini pochette. And as you guys can see, it definitely fit perfectly in there. And I still got space to actually put more stuff. Inside of my mini pochette, I just usually have like hand lotion, um, hand sanitizer, and those little things in there. If I wanted to say, let me see, the last one, this is one of my old glasses. As you guys can see, it fit in there. So this actually, the bigger one actually fit way more than the little one. And even with my Coach wallet, as you guys can see, so if I take the mini pochette off, see, my Coach Win wallet actually fit in it, and this is even with a phone, okay guys? So that actually fit in there. And let's say even if I take this wallet off, and as I told you guys with the little one, I'm not going to be using um my wallet. I'm just going to use the credit card slot. But you see, even with this one, if I just want to carry that with this big wallet, it actually fit, and I still got a little bit more room to play with. So if I want to put other items in there, I actually can put other items in there, and it will work so perfectly. Okay, so even with this, so this is like my husband's wallet, I can put that in there, and it still got space. So this, the bigger version, actually holds a lot. Okay guys, and I'm so happy about that, because that was like just a little issue that I had with the little one. I mean, it's cute and everything, but that's literally like for the least essential items. But this one, as you guys can see, it holds so much, and you can still zip it with all of these items in there. So kind of keep that in mind. And I'm happy they made the bigger version. So to me, this definitely compared to the Chanel heart bag, but the large size. And I think even the Coach one is a little bit bigger than the Chanel heart bag, because their measurement when I was looking at it was a little bit less than the Coach heart bag. So keep that in mind. So now let's get the baby so we can see what the differences are. All right, guys. So this is the one that I unboxed first. So as you guys can see, the size difference between the two. So this one is the mini, and on the Coach website they call it the Heart Crossbody 14 with pillow quilting, and this one is just the Coach Heart Crossbody. Okay, but as you guys can see the difference in the size. So obviously this will hold way more than this will, and if you guys can also see, there's a difference between the two. The 14 or the smaller version actually have a chain strap, where the bigger version only come with a leather strap. Okay, so I'm actually very happy that I actually own both of these bags, because guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm probably just going to take the chain off here and just connect it to here, to the bigger version. And if you guys also have like the the Coach Dinky chain, that also can work, or whatever chain you buy from Amazon, that also can work. But at least with me having both of the version, the bigger and the smaller version, I can interchange the chain. If I want to use this with the chain, I can. If I want to use it with the crossbody, I also can do it, which is good because now I have extra straps. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, I took the strap off the smaller version and put it on the bigger one if I wanted that more of that really edgy look. So that's basically what that is. And as I told you guys, it's literally the exact same bag, guys. Let me see. Oh, sorry. So it's literally the exact same bag. Look at that. Just in a bigger version and in a smaller version. That's literally the only difference between these two beauties. And obviously this hold way more because this is way bigger, and this hold less because it's smaller. But beside the chain strap, that's the only difference. Even the whole design from the inside all the way to the outside is exactly the same. And even with the two button, everything is exactly the same. It's just one is in a baby size and the other one is in a bigger size. You guys can see, that's literally the difference between these two bags, as you guys can see. So guys, I just wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. I know some of you guys have actually already ordered. When I put a post on my community about this bag coming out, and I know a lot of you guys have reached out to me and told me that you've all actually ordered a bigger size. So I definitely cannot wait. If you guys can just do me a favor, when you actually receive it, if you can just comment below this video and just let me know that you got it, and if you can send me a photo, I would really appreciate it. I just wanna celebrate you, celebrate you getting this bag. I just feel like this is such a great bag for the money. Honestly speaking, you cannot beat what you get for this bag. This literally is a Chanel bag at a portion of the price. And this leather, guys, let me also know in the comments, how do you feel about this leather, guys? This leather remind me so much of my Pillow Madison. Guys, my Coach Pillow Madison leather, this one remind me so much of that leather. This leather is so soft, so it makes the bag, oh, that makes the bag so amazing on the hand. Like, I love squishing it because it's so soft, guys. But anyway, let me know how you guys feel about this bag. Do you like it once you receive it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? What would you change if you could change? Leave all of that in the comment. Let's have a discussion. But for me, I do love both, and I'm happy that I actually have both in my collection. Like, I have the bigger size and the baby size. I just feel like, oh, this is so cute. So if I don't want to hold the big one, I can hold the baby one. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. So you guys can know, be aware of it. I know that my essay was telling me, I think there was like 500 and something at the distribution center. So I know this bag is going to sell out, because if the Coach outlet heart bag sold out, this one would definitely be a hit for Coach, and it would definitely sell out because of what is given and with the price point. Anyway, guys, I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.